There, I'm just 16-year-old, and so you don't know who I am. Some people know who follow me and who don't know. So today I will be introduce myself as such a small intro of my version, like what I doing and what where I am. Okay, so I am just 16-year-old and studying class 12 with commerce background in India. So right now I have running a startup that's named Killeti Engine. So it's a simply I will define is like a problem solving on solo founder. Those have uncertainty phase, they have no idea to where to go, so they will be get their idea and deep research them and then give the real action plans with their face to fix it. So it's I will be how I sell, how I monetize. I just not selling future, I sell the value with future, then connect to the emotion and then go to the distribution, DM, video and asking and then getting paying user. So I build a version 1 in at list a small version in 48 hour, and I ship and validate and getting the leads, the data, then I distribute. And how you get I will be explain myself. I do a lot of things. So second things I do as a early 16-year-old, I don't have a support, I don't have a money expenses. So how I rent the money and how I invest the money as a 16-year-old. So I simply learned the trading like past 1 year the forex trading, and I consistently do the demo and full systematic right way on the part. I do the old documentation in the data, so I will be open and revise the full things what I do where I am. So right now I have a 900 rupees as a currency of India. So in like dollar 10 to 100. Okay, so I starting this and getting full systematic way, and I convert flipped into like 100 and $1,000. So I start doing a trading, and the 50% of the profit I will be reinvest on my SaaS on the startups to build like in the distribution, AI, APIs, lot of stuff things to get grow faster, high ROI compounding in long term. Right now it's expensive in other eyes, but in my eye in a systematic way, yeah, right, high ROI return on investment compounding skills and better user if they comes. So second thing I will be done the forex trading. So what I do, so I see in a like Indian, if the people are born in India, guys, the Indian parents and society is like a lot of blah things. They are only manipulated. They think study and go in a room and same job, same loop. There is no freedom. So I don't waste energy to fighting them. So I go and I think on my head, like if I really get a 90% in the commerce, there's only three subject main eco BST account, and those people has in face, the easy part. So if I really get, I get the like at least 2 to 3 hour freedom to the parents is rent my food, internet, laptop, and basic expensive. So I get the peace, and peace is the most expensive things if you can ever buy. So as a 16-year-old, the pupil has passed out the 12th and go to the college. I don't go, and I will be get in my safe room and get 24 hours 7 object and doing my stuff things. I take my own risk and do all my goals and my priority. So that's the reason. So I will be figure out there's only like 10 to 12 days after I have a board exam yet. So I don't study, I study a high ROI method, and I easily cover the whole syllabus in 5 day, the full syllabus. And I don't study, I study one night before the exam, and to get 90% I will be promise. I know it's easy. So move on the topic. The real things is start, no matter where you are, bro, where you are from, which region, where you are, what age you are, what stage, what your work, what your objection. The big thing is that, bro, find your objection. And some people ask the objection where you find, how I figure out the objection things. The objection is not a place, it's not a things. Objection is think like you meant to be meet the same version you meant to be. Understand what I say? Like example, if I example myself, in like past 1 year, I have no idea where I am going, what I am doing. Just I have no like anything. I don't think anything. Just I stay in the same bed. I play games like video games, PUBG, and the rest of the day of my expense and betting on my bed. So how can I figure out? I just get the like motivation, and I open my laptop and open the YouTube video, and how do I get money. So I see the forex trading, drop streaming. I study and I learn. I get the objection. So how I get the objection to learning, to finding the first step without any outcomes, is that to do all, try the all things. If the objection is already live in the place, you are the thing, and objection are the place. And your work is like you are the meet your thing to the place. So try the whole things. bro. Try the forex, drop shipping, SaaS, AI, at least running, where you want to be cricketer, footballer, athlete, businessman, problem solver, even a monker. So your choice, so go with that. So I will be open and learn the first trading, and then I go to a drop like demo trading and systematic right away, and go good mentor that's named Anish. I will be like mentioned without any monetization. And second thing, I will be go that drop shipping, and I see the SaaS software service in like 2024 is a good subscription mode based model. So I understand how to problem solve in a software way. To what skill I will be learn the no code is the best. Then I go to the coding, the distribution, making content, and a lot of black things I will be doing my life. There's a lot of uncertainty. I understand my life, the philosophy, the meaning of God, myself, objection, discipline. So there are a lot of things. So if I say in one word, in one line, how to get to the like value of the full video in one line, bro. You see the big companies, the big players, those are millionaire, billionaire, even a monopoly controller. They have infrastructure control to get $1 trillion in their hands, like BlackRock's and a lot of blah things. If you really meant to be, there's a difference is nothing. The difference is capability, and capability means you doing something you capable to do. Billionaire has a good seller. He easily sell. If they know the problem, they will be build a app faster than you. They sell faster than you with the emotion, hook, content, market, product market fit. How they get to get the capability to, you have to capable to start something. The Google Sheet, the how to get the texting and how to get like prompting. You get something, no, just start with that and keep stretching to the compounding or long term and align with the short term. So what I say nothing. The difference is capability. So find the objection is only way. Just try all of things. The objection is on live on the place. Your work is like meet the version you meant to be on the objection. So I try a lot of things. So first primary I will be do the Clarity Engine as my project, and like SaaS, AI infrastructure, whatever you say. In my word, I know I don't any named like a startup or engine. My objection, my work, I don't name it. So second thing is forex trading for the money, and the 50% of profit I will be reinvest on myself to the my real work as the first priority, and second thing on my funded account and my profitable accounts. And third things I will be do as a physical movement, like live the place where I am. I don't know what going on tomorrow, but I have a control today. So what I do is as a freedom, as a maturity hit. So I do like live the life on the free time I have. So I do the physical movement, run, talk the quality pupils, and then go with. So I will be say, please, if you don't have in starting, you have to be disciplined, and discipline means it's not a limitation. Discipline is the only way to get open the door of freedom, and it's the library of objection, and objection comes after discipline. You try all the things. I say again and again, objection is a thing. It's not a place. It's not a thing. Is a like unconditional things. His hand lived anything anywhere, you don't know. So try all things. You work is like meet the version you meant to be. So you try the all of things with the disciplines. So go and try the all of things, and you will be get your objection. And don't be stressed about how a document, how a plan goals. All things are meant to be. Just try it. You will be get objection. You will be see the world is so noisy. You will be see your inner peace. And if you figure out who am I, you figure out your meaning, your work, your objection, your purpose, your life, and you live without a single person. You live in single way, even a one room, and you will be happy with inner quality, and you understand with the philosophization of life, understanding God, human. So as I am 16-year-old, and I am like in 2 months after I will become 17 year. So when the board exam finished, I have my friend, a startup solo founder. So I meet together and build something that really impactful for the youth, and solving problem for their work heads, the stress, and being stuffs. So last I will be say, like don't be a positive and blah blah blah. Just figure out what you want and do what matter for you, and please make sure you will be obsessed yourself. If you believe yourself, so you don't have a right to expense and like convince people to I believe this. So don't be price is a lie. So don't go with, and you will internally satisfy yourself and go with that. So in final I will be say, Just figure out what you want, and here's a no difference. Just live your life on your way, and here's a only you to keep answer how you live the life. So understand your voice and answer the one question. If I say last, who am I? This question will answer you every time. Every millisecond has different answer, and in last I will be say just keep iterating and continuous learning and adjust the system and go with the flow and keep smiling.